Earn thousands of dollars daily by uploading motivational stories, and that too effortlessly.
In the quaint village of Elara, a magnetic pull draws her towards the forbidden forest. She feels an unexplained...
Friends, for the past few days, videos like these have been going viral on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. But the question remains, how are they made? No need to worry. In today's video, I'll guide you through the entire process. Watch the video until the end. To create a story video, you'll need two websites, ChatGPT and Artflow. First, let's open ChatGPT, where we'll create our motivational story. Let's type Create Motivational Story. Now, our story is ready. Now, we'll copy this. Open Artflow, navigate to the Story Studio page, then click on New Story. If you want to create a story directly in Artflow, it can assist you, but I prefer ChatGPT. We've already copied the story, so we'll click on I have a story. Select the fantasy genre, paste your story, and add a name and character intro as per your story. Now click on Create this story. Choose vertical if you plan to upload this video on Reels, TikTok, or Shorts. Select a visual style. I recommend digital art for a visually appealing look and quicker completion. Now, click on Continue to Character Creator and wait a few minutes. After that, click on Continue to Storyboard. Some images will load, and you can select them according to your story. I've adjusted them according to my preference. Now, click on Export and wait a bit. An error might appear, but don't worry. Click on Story Studio. You'll see that the video is in processing. Once complete, your video will be ready with voiceover and subtitles. You can play and download it without subtitles. You'll notice a watermark. To remove it, go to the BCut website. Upload the downloaded file. Adjust the box according to the watermark and erase it. Now, this is done. You can watch the video once and see you in the next video. Goodbye!
In a quaint village embraced by gentle hills, a dreamer named Ethan yearned for something more. One day, while wandering on the outskirts of the village, Ethan's eyes widened as he discovered a secret path, concealed beneath wild foliage, beckoning him toward a towering mountain. Fueled by aspirations beyond his surroundings, Ethan decides to embark on a daring climb, defying the limitations of his village life. In the face of